Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayeshola Ogundele. Propellant-based and automated collision avoidance, headed by spaceship-to-spaceship communications, catalyzed by onboard autonomous navigation reinforcement learning. Propellant-based and automated collision avoidance, an approach that relies on onboard computing algorithms, reinforcement learning, and thrusters, leverages real-time spaceship-to-spaceship communications to circumvent space debris and prevent orbital collisions. Also, it enables active spaceship assets to negotiate evasive trajectories. By replacing human-in-the-loop coordination with direct spaceship-to-spaceship data exchange, satellites can instantly and autonomously share positional telemetry and intent. This enables real-time coordinated trajectory corrections without needing to wait for ground stations calculations. Cross-referencing telemetry, trajectory vectors, and proximity measurements, propellant-based and automated collision avoidance mechanism systems independently execute localized orbital maneuvers without depending solely on ground control. Spaceship-to-spaceship communication in propellant-based maneuvering is critical for orbital rendezvous, docking, and formation flight. The focus points are as follows: propellant-based and automated collision avoidance, automated collision detection, propellant-based maneuvering, and operational resource and policies. Propellant-based and automated collision avoidance uses onboard thrusters to alter a spacecraft's orbital velocity, physically steering it out of harm's way. When aided by spaceship-to-spaceship communications, active spacecraft can directly broadcast their telemetry and intended bomb paths, preventing contradictory avoidance maneuvers and ensuring space safety. The picture here illustrates artist's depiction of space junk orbiting Earth. Spaceship collision avoidance systems integrate onboard sensor function, propellant-based thrusters, and peer-to-peer communications to autonomously maneuver around space debris and other vessels. They ensure mission safety by acting as a proactive safety layer, which requires minimal ground controller intervention. By cross-referencing telemetry trajectory vectors, the system independently executes orbital maneuvers. Space junk, the cluttered frontier, is shown in this picture. How the system works is as follows. Inter-spacecraft data exchange. Spacecraft continuously broadcast their state vectors, planned trajectories, and fuel statuses over encrypted RF or optical links. Automated risk assessment. Onboard machine learning and analytical processors calculate conjunction capabilities. If a risk threshold is breached, the system initiates the avoidance phase. Maneuver optimization. The system calculates minimum fuel trajectories so as to ensure that any data-free change keeps the spacecraft within its operational and safety domain. The risk identification. Conjunction data messages alert operators to an impending risk of collision. Direct communication. Spacecraft utilize crosslinks, such as optical or radio transceiver, for direct communication. Space junk problem is illustrated in this picture. Automated collision detection and avoidance systems. Automated collision avoidance systems use onboard AI, trajectory tracking, and automated broadcast messaging in order to prevent in-space collisions. Instead of relying solely on ground stations, this system autonomously shares telemetry. Automation of low-risk assessment and power planning calculations. Illustration of orbital debris in the Earth orbit is shown in this picture. Other automated collision detection involves sensor fusion, predictive algorithms, and autonomous decision-making. Artist illustration of astroscale space debris removal system is shown in this picture. Importance of spaceship-to-spaceship communication. Spaceship-to-spaceship communication is very vital for autonomous collision avoidance system to prevent orbital collisions. It enables direct real-time coordination, allowing active satellites to instantly share trajectory data, telemetry, and intended maneuvers. Cube cell, which use the drag of a solar cell to push orbiting space debris down to lower orbit, is illustrated in this picture. Propellant-based maneuvering. Spaceship-to-spaceship communication in propellant-based maneuvering is critical for orbital rendezvous. It enables spacecraft to share real-time telemetry and relative velocity. Artist impressions of Address J and ClearSpace 1 is shown in this picture. Primary propulsion. Traditional chemical propulsion systems provide rapid high-thrust depth of field for quick evasive adjustments. For modern constellations equipped with ion thrusters, automated trajectory planning optimizes long duration. Propellant trade-offs. Artificial intelligence algorithms prioritize evasion paths, which consume the least amount of remaining fuel. Artist's impression of the removed debris spacecraft is shown in this picture. Thruster firing automated system activates primary, secondary, or micro propulsion systems. It conserves fuel and deals the contingency planning. ClearSpace 1 mission is shown in this picture. Operational resources and policies. Every propulsive collision avoidance maneuver directly reduces mission lifespan. Operators now prioritize minimum DTV algorithms in order to minimize fuel expenditure. Because manual trajectory planning takes hours to days, operations leverage onboard optimization. Render of a transastral capture bag is shown in this picture. Electric versus chemical propulsion. Spacecraft often utilize electric propulsion for collision avoidance due to high specific impulse, though this requires earlier maneuver. ClearSpace 1 a technology demonstration spacecraft is shown in this picture. Space-to-space coordination. Direct communication channels allow spacecraft to independently broadcast their state vectors. For data standards, spacecraft exchange parameters analogous to terrestrial conjunction data message. A space debris slingshot is illustrated in this picture. Collision risk threshold. Current industry practice outlined by space safety organizations such as NASA and ESA triggers a mandatory mitigation maneuver. No unified right-of-way. International space law lacks universally codified maritime system rules of the road. As a result, autonomous cross-link protocols rely on cooperative game theory. A debut mission idea is shown in this picture. Best practices, regulatory and advisory bodies, such as the Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee, encourage constellation designers to limit the need for active control by relying on passive abort guidance laws and pre-launch trajectory deconfliction whenever it is possible. Artist's illustration of a private orbital debris cleanup is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Propellant-Based and Automated Collision Avoidance aided by spacecraft-to-spaceship communication by Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele, with the focus points propellant-based and automated collision avoidance, automated collision detection, propellant-based maneuvering, and operational resources and policy. Thank you.